We were out there doing the fields portion of some new training that the American National Standards Institute adopted earlier this year. It's training on mobile elevated work platforms, which our bridge inspection trucks are mobile elevated work platforms. So in order to meet those new standard requirements, we had to go through a multi-day training, and what we were doing in the field was the last part of the training where you actually go out and get hands-on with the equipment, and the instructor shows you how to operate the equipment and then lets you operate it under his supervision. We are in the bridge safety inspection business. Everything we do revolves around safety. And in order to be as safe as possible when operating these units, you need to be trained properly on them. And this was more training you have, the safer you are.